Alright guys, so today what we're going to do is we're going to draw a sandcastle like you just saw in the preview. Now to draw this, you're going to take a piece of paper that your teacher passed out to you, and you're going to find a black crayon in the bucket of crayons, and this is what we're going to use to draw. Now if yours is short or there's paper in the way, you just take some of that paper. You don't have to pull it all off. If you accidentally pull it all off, that's fine. You can do that. But you're going to use a black crayon to start. And what we're going to do first is we're going to do this landscape mode. So landscape means it's going long ways across. Not long ways up and down, but long ways across. So to start, I'm going to draw the bottom. I'm going to draw my sand. And to do this, you're just going to draw like a wiggly line going straight across, just like that, and then about in the middle of the paper. So to find the middle, you just kind of guess. Let's say this is about right here is the middle. I'm gonna draw a line going across the middle, just like that, just a little line all the way across, just a little line about the size of your index finger. The next step after that is we're going to start drawing our sandcastle. So to draw this, we're going to draw two diagonal lines. So the first diagonal line is going to go over here towards the left. So all the way to the bottom of the sand. The next diagonal line is going to go out here to the right, all the way, stop at the sand. Then we're going to draw two more diagonal lines going up, just little ones. So just a little diagonal line here, and a little one here. See how it kind of makes like an X? Alright, now comes the tricky part. We're going to draw the top of the castle. So to do that, we're going to draw a line going across, and a line coming down. Go across, go up, across, down, across, up, across, down, across, and then up again. Across. So it's going to look something like that. Next, we're going to draw the walls of our castle. So to do that, do the same thing again, about here in the middle. I'm going to go over, down, over, up, over, down, over, up, over, down. So I did about 3. You could do a little bit more if you have room, if you drew your castle smaller, but we don't want to go all the way across our paper. So do the same over here, over, down, over, up, over, down, over, up. Now I like symmetry, so I like both sides to be the same. So then I'm going to come down again. So here I have my 2 walls. Now I need to make some doors. So to do that, I'm going to go just do a big half circle, big tall oval, just like this. Do that again, make them a little bit smaller. Just like that. Now, this is where we make it look 3D. So to do that, I'm going to start my line up on the side. I'm going to go up, following the outside until I get to the top. Let me show you how I do that again. Go, start going up, and then stop at the top. Make sure you do it all on the same sides. So I'm doing mine on the right side. So if you did yours on the right side, all of them will be done on the right side. Now we add a couple flags on top of our castle. So draw a line, and then we'll draw a triangle. Draw a smaller flag over here. And again, we want these flags going in the same direction. Next, we're going to add the ocean behind. So to do that, I'm going to come about right here. Just draw a line going across. And do it the same on the side. So now we have our ocean back here. We have our sand here. So ocean, sand, in the sky. So in the sky, you can draw a sun. My sun kind of looks like a lemon. It's okay. It's my sun. You can make your sun look however you want it to look like. Draw some light rays going around it. Draw some clouds. Do clouds, it's just half circle, half circle, half circle, and then do some half circles going back in. A big fluffy cloud right here. Half circle, half circle, half circle, all the way around. The last step, you can add some, maybe a bucket. So just like we did before, the two diagonals, and then draw a half circle here. Maybe add a handle in this bucket. Maybe add a shovel for my bucket. Draw a shovel, I'm gonna draw a rectangle. And then again, the two diagonals going out, curve this in. Do the same on this side, make it like a handle. And you can draw like a seashell. Draw a seashell, big half circle, and then two diagonals going off it, and then a line across. And then draw a V and a line coming down. You can draw more of those if you want, smaller ones, bigger ones. But there we have our castle. Now the next step is you're going to color yours in. I would use maybe yellow for the sand. When we color, we're not scribbling. We're going to color it in nicely, going side to side, up and down. I like to follow the direction of my sandcastle. So you see how my sandcastle's going up like this? So I'll color it going up just like that. You got all sorts of different yellows in here. Here we have, what color is this? Doesn't say, but it's kind of a yellowish orange. You can mix that in to your sand. Sand's not all one same color. But color in your sandcastle, I'll color in your ocean, maybe a dark blue. So here I have a dark blue. So back here I color this in. See, I'm going left to right for the ocean because the water's going across. So going side to side, color it in neatly, nicely. Go all the way out to the edge of the paper. Do it the same over here. Left to right, all the way up to the edge of the paper. Now if you're getting a lot of white, you can go, here's the trick, you go the other way, up and down. That'll make it solid. We like solid. Makes the picture look finished. Then the sky, I would make a light blue. Now, here's the thing with the sky. I don't understand why sometimes, especially my kindergartners and first graders, they only do the sky up here and then they leave this whole part white. The sky, if you look outside, goes all the way down to wherever the earth is. So there's trees outside that you're looking at. You notice that the sky comes all the way down to where those trees are. Or if you're looking out across the ocean, the sky goes all the way down to where the ocean touches the sky. But there's no white spots outside. So we're trying to make this look like it's outside. So that means I need you to color in your sky all the way from the ocean all the way up to the top of the paper. It's coming all the way down. Finish coloring in your bucket, your shells, however you want. Color in your sun yellow, and then finish this up. And I want to see, when I get back, your beautiful sandcastle drawings. Alright guys, be good for your sub. Bye.